got it?
He's already run his 2 times.
Yeah.
But I want to hear a recording of the rings.
They're parsing out how many times.
Okay.
Would you like to inside? I want a picture of Kay. Okay, that's Kay. I didn't. Kay, look interesting. Both hands like you're really ringing it. There you go.
Good job.
Now here.
Okay, ready? You're back up. You get to do one more ring. You've only done one.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me get her picture ringing.
Okay, you ready? I'm going to drop you now.
Jay, move.
Ready? Hold on. Hold on tight.
Cool, huh?
Pull.
Oh, let's
Pull.
get it going.
Pull.
It's going to ring one of these times. Watch it. Watch it.
One more. And
Hey!
Good job.
All right.
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. Take a look in here quickly, Stephanie. That's oil pipe, painted with wood grain and knot holes.
Wow, because
It looks natural, doesn't it?
it looks like bamboo. It looks like huge bamboo.
Oil pipe with knot holes and painted wood grain. And it's a pretty little chapel.
Yes, beautiful.
Such a good paint job for oil pipe.
Right. Isn't that cool, Max? Look, pretty.